Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into easily digestible insights. Today we're analyzing Apple, APL, stock, a tech giant whose performance significantly impacts the broader market. Let's start with the current events and news impacting Apple. Recent headlines suggest a mixed sentiment, with some sources reporting positive developments such as potential software update changes, while others express concern about recent price drops and downgrades from financial analysts. However, the overall market sentiment toward Apple remains cautiously optimistic. Now, let's look at the charts to see if they reflect the current news. Here's the daily chart for Apple, showing the overall trend over the past few months. We observe a general upward trend over the long term, indicating a bullish sentiment. However, the recent price action reveals some short-term fluctuations and volatility. We can identify potential support levels around $220 and resistance levels around $235. We can see that recent price action reveals some short-term fluctuations and volatility. Now, let's narrow our focus to the last month of candles to get a clearer idea of recent price trends. In this zoomed-in view, the support level of approximately $225 is clearly visible. Similarly, the $235 resistance level appears to hold significant importance. Notice the several instances where price bounces off the support level, and the price often retraces after failing to break through resistance. To gain a more nuanced understanding, let's switch to the 1-hour chart. The hourly chart provides a more granular view of AAPL's price action within the past day. We are currently observing some consolidation, with the price moving sideways within a defined range. Observing the 1-hour chart over the last 24 hours, we can see a minor upward trend. However, the trading volume has remained fairly modest during this period, suggesting limited activity. Let's move to the 15-minute chart for an even more detailed analysis. Here, we have the 15-minute chart over the past day. We're observing price consolidation, indicative of uncertainty or indecision. We can see slight bounces around $234, suggesting it might act as temporary support. In this time frame, the immediate support and resistance levels are highly dynamic and constantly changing. Short-term traders might find opportunities in these small price fluctuations. Let's recap the important price levels and predictions. Based on our analysis of both the news and the charts, the key price levels to watch are $220, strong support, $225, moderate support, $230, minor support, $235, strong resistance, and $235.69, intraday high resistance. A break above $235 could signal a renewed bullish trend, potentially pushing prices towards $240 or even higher. Conversely, a break below $220 would trigger a bearish signal. The likelihood of a short-term bullish trend depends on various factors like positive news about Apple products and services, increased investor confidence, and stronger overall market conditions. We forecast a 50% chance of seeing a sustained rise above $235, with positive news or increased volumes increasing this likelihood. Short-term price fluctuations are likely to continue. The short-term forecast has a 60% chance of seeing $225 acting as support. If support at $225 is breached, there's a 70% chance the price will drop towards $220. Long-term, the general uptrend might persist if Apple demonstrates sustained positive performance in revenue and earnings. Keep a close eye on major financial news, Apple's product announcements, earnings calls, and analyst ratings to help predict upcoming trends.